A unique school based on Indian cultural heritage and global vision, which has a record of 100% result in ICSE, State Board and PU Board examinations. Athreya Educational Institutions, a famous name in Mandya for more than a decade, providing you a world-class education from nursery to PUC. Enhanced with a newly constructed environment-friendly building, spacious smart classrooms, well-equipped labs and library, experienced teachers with motherly care and updated teaching methods, including 4-language learning concept, regular multiple cultural and sports activities, and best vehicle facility. What else do you expect? Join your children today. We make them complete human beings and present them as real gift to the society.
ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಅನುರಾಧ ರಘು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಕೆಎಸ್ ರಘು ವಕೀಲರು ಹಾಗೂ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು. ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಫಾರ್ 2020 and 21. Pre-KG, UKG classes to 10th standard. ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ದೂರವಾಣಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 9986797652, 8867015936 ಹಾಗೂ 8867015937.
Experience Athreya. Feel at home.
Hi, welcome to maths class. Today I am going to take 10th ICSE maths class, in which I am taking quadratic equation lesson. Okay, what is quadratic equation? You have already studied in 9th standard and 8th standard regarding about the quadratic equation. Okay, what is quadratic equation? Quadratic means it consists of a word quad. Here quad means square. Okay, square means what? The highest power is 2. Okay, if the highest power is 2, we call it as quadratic equation. Okay, what is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation means it is an equation with one variable in which the highest power of the variable is 2. We call it as a quadratic equation. Example for quadratic equation is 5x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, all of you observe here. This is an equation. Okay, this consists of 5x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here we have x as well as x square. In this equation, highest power is 2. Okay, the equation which consists of highest power is 2 is known as quadratic equation. Okay, listen all of you. What is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is an equation with one variable in which the highest power of the variable is 2. We call it as a quadratic equation. Okay, let us see another example. 5x square minus 3 is equal to 0. What is the difference between these two equations? In this equation we have 3 terms, but in this equation we have 2 terms. In this equation we don't have the second term, although this equation is also quadratic equation, because of in this equation also we can see the variable with highest power is 2. Okay, then next, what is the standard form of the quadratic equation? The standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is known as the standard form of the quadratic equation, in which a B and C are the real numbers, but in this case the value of the A is always not equal to 0. Okay, here the value of A is not equal to 0, then only we call it as a quadratic equation. Here A, B and C are the real numbers. Okay, this is known as standard form of the quadratic equation. Okay, then for the quadratic equation, the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this case, we have to take b square minus 4ac. What is the meaning of this? B square minus 4ac is the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Okay, this is represented by D. Okay, D means discriminant of the quadratic equation. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, then this discriminant formula is used to find the nature of the roots. Okay, this formula is used to find the nature of the roots. The nature of the roots of the quadratic equation is always depend upon the discriminant of the formula. Okay, D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then come to next. How many types in quadratic equation? There are two types in quadratic equation. Okay, look at the board, all of you. How many types in quadratic equation? There are two types in quadratic equation. One is hard-factored quadratic equation. First one is hard-factored quadratic equation, and second one is pure quadratic equation. Totally we can see two types of quadratic equation. Okay, one is hard-factored quadratic equation and another one is pure quadratic equation. Hard-factored quadratic equation means what? The hard-factored quadratic equation means it has two terms in which, for example, let us take one example. No? Example, 4x square plus 2x is equal to 0. This is an example for hard-factored quadratic equation. Afterwards, I will define the definition of hard-factored quadratic equation. Let us take another example for pure quadratic equation. 4x square minus 2 is equal to 0. This is also one of the example for pure quadratic equation. If you observe these two quadratic equation, is there any difference? Yes, we can see the difference. This equation consists of highest degree is 2 as well as highest degree is 1. It has both highest degree 2 and highest degree 1 variable. We call it as a hard-factored quadratic equation. Okay, then come to the pure quadratic equation. Okay, what is pure quadratic equation? In pure quadratic equation, we can see only the variable highest degree is 2 along with a constant c value. Okay, this is known as pure quadratic equation. Then how can you say the definition of pure quadratic and hard-factored? It's very simple. Hard-factored means an equation which consists of two terms. One is the variable highest degree is 2 and another variable the power is 1. We call it as hard-factored quadratic equation. As well as pure quadratic equation means it consists of only highest degree is 2 along with a constant. We call it as pure quadratic equation. These are the two examples for hard-factored quadratic equation and pure quadratic equation. Okay, come to the next point. In this lesson, we are going to discussing about some problems. Okay, this lesson consists of 5 to 6 type of problems, in which let us take first type problem. Okay, how to find the quadratic equation. Okay, how to find the quadratic equation. Look at the board, all of you. This is the first type problem in quadratic equation. Okay, let's solve some problems based on this quadratic equation. First type problems. In these problems, we are going to recognize the quadratic equation. Okay, let us take first question. First question is 3x minus 2 and 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 5 into 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1, a quadratic equation. This is the first question arise in your textbook. Okay, what is the first question? Is 3x minus 2 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 5 into 2x minus 1 a quadratic equation. How can you check? Very simple. An equation, very simple to check this question. If the given equation, if the given equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and ax square plus bx equal to 0 and ax square plus c equal to 0. Okay, after simplification, if we get the answer is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, as well as ax square plus bx is equal to 0 and ax square plus c equal to 0, then only we call it as a quadratic equation. Okay, let us check now. How to check in? First take this 3x, first multiply with 2x minus 3. Okay, first you have to multiply this 3x with 2x minus 3. Then you have to multiply this minus 2 with 2x minus 3. Okay, LHS is finished. Now take RHS now. In RHS also we have two terms in this case. First you have to multiply this 2x with 2x minus 1. Okay, as well as you have to multiply this 5 plus 5 with 2x minus 1. Okay, first you have to make like this. After taking this, multiply this 3x with 2x. 3 2s are 6. X into x, x square, 6x square. Again, you have to multiply this 3x with minus 3. Plus into minus, minus. 3 3s are 9 into x, 9x. Okay, as well as you have to multiply this minus 2 with 2x minus 3. How to multiply this? First, here minus is there, here plus is there. You have to multiply these two symbols first. Minus into plus, minus. 2 2s are 4 into x, 4x. Okay, again you have to multiply this minus 2 with minus 3. Then it becomes minus into minus plus. 3 2s are 6. Okay, the simplification of LHS is finished. Next, go to RHS. In RHS also you have to make simplification. Okay, here also you have to multiply first symbols, afterwards you have to multiply coefficients, afterwards you have to multiply these variables. Okay, here plus and plus is there, you will get plus sign, don't write that. 2 2s are 4, x into x, x square. Then you have to multiply this 2x with minus 1, plus into minus, minus 2 1s are 2 into x. Any doubts? Okay, next multiply 5 with 2x, plus into plus, plus 5 2s are 10x, minus 5 1s are 5. This is the second step. Okay, this is an equation, that's why you have to place the equal symbol between these two terms. Okay, if you write equal symbol between these two polynomials, don't write any equal symbol in the beginning. Okay, next take all these terms to the left side. Okay, then here first we have 6x square in LHS. In RHS also we have 4x square term. If you take this 4x square term to the LHS, then it becomes negative sign. Okay, then it becomes 4x square. Finish. Next, you have to take this minus 2x to the left side. Here we have minus 2x. If you take this minus 2x to the left side, it becomes plus 2x. Okay, before that we have minus 9x. Then you have to write that one plus 2x, and we have minus 4x, and we have plus 10x. At the ending you have to take constant. Here we have plus 6. If you take this minus to left side, it becomes plus 5 is equal to 0. Why we have to write this 0? Because of we are already taken all these terms to the left side, then you have to write 0 in the place of all these terms. Okay, let's do the simplification. 6x square minus 4x square. If you subtract minus 4x square from 6x square, you will get 2x square. Any doubts? These two terms finished. Simplification of these two terms is finished. Next, here we have 9x terms. We have totally 4 9x terms. Okay, first to take positive terms. Here we have 10x and 2x. If we add these two, 10 plus 2, 12x. By this 12x, if you subtract this 4x, you will get 8x. By 8x, if you subtract this minus 9x, you will get minus 1x. Minus 1x. Okay, then if you add 6 plus 5, you will get 11 is equal to 0. Look at the board, all of you. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation. Okay, therefore the given equation is quadratic equation. At the ending you have to write a sentence. Therefore the given equation, therefore the given equation is in the form, the given equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore the given equation is, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Okay. In this way, you can check whether it is in the form of quadratic equation or not. Any doubts? Okay. Let's take another example to check whether it is in quadratic equation or not. Okay. Second question is also belongs to first type problems. Okay. What we have solved in the first problem, as it is, that problem is there. Take another one, is 3x. Second question is 3x into 2x minus 5 into 2x minus 5 plus 6 is equal to 2x into 3x plus 5, 2x into 3x plus 5 minus 6, a quadratic equation. This is also question. Okay. How can you solve? Very simple. What we have solved in the previous question, like that you have to solve this question. Okay. First, here we have only single term, that's why we can multiply directly with the another term. Okay. Then how can you do that? 3 2s are 6. X into x, x square. Then multiply the sign. Plus into minus, minus. 3 5s are 15. Into x, 15x. And constant term is plus 6. Write as it is. In the LHS finish. Next go to RHS. In RHS we have 2x. You have to multiply this 2x with 3x plus 5. Here we have positive signs, that's why you have to write positive signs, but no need. Okay. 2 3s are 6. X into x, x square plus 2 5s are 15 into x, 15x. Here minus 6 is there, write as it is. Okay. This is the first step. As you know, in the second step, you have to take all terms in RHS to the left side. Okay. Then the positive sign becomes negative sign, as well as the negative signs becomes positive sign. Okay. How can you take this? Here we have 6x square, 6x square. Here also we have 6 plus 6x square. If you take left side, it becomes minus 6x square. Okay. Then here we have minus 15x. Here also we have plus 15x. If you take this 15 plus 15x, if you take to left side, it becomes minus 15x. Okay. At the ending, yes, we have 6, write as it is. And if you take this minus 6 to the left side, it becomes plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Next, do the simplification. 6x square, 6x square gets cancelled because they have opposite signs. Okay. Then here we have minus 15x, minus 15x. If there is a minus, minus, you have to add them, then it becomes minus 30x plus 6 plus 6, 12 is equal to 0. Okay. Then if you change the sign, then it becomes 30x minus 12 equal to 0. This is the simplification of the given equation. Okay. All of you observe here. Check it now if it is in quadratic equation or not. Okay. Here we have a variable with highest power is 1. Okay. When the highest power is 1, it is not a quadratic equation, it is a linear equation. But the question is 3x into 2x minus 5 plus 6 is equal to 2x into 3x plus 5 minus 6 a quadratic equation. Okay. So 30x minus 12 is equal to 0 is not in the form of 30x minus 12 equal to 0 is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 or ax square plus bx is equal to 0 or it is not in the form of ax square plus c equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Okay. Therefore, the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Okay. In this way you can easily find the question whether it is in quadratic equation or not. Okay. Any doubts? Okay. Let's move to next problem. Okay. Next question is for the quadratic equation. Next third question is for the quadratic equation 3x square plus 5x 3x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Show that equal to 0. Show that first question is x is equal to first question is x is equal to 1 by 3 is a solution. As well as second question is x equal to 3 is not a solution. X equal to 3 is not a solution. All of you observe here, in this question quadratic equation is given. Okay. What is the quadratic equation? 3x square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Quadratic equation is already given in the question. But you should show that x equal to 1 by 3 is a solution. How can you show? Very simple. If you substitute the value of x is equal to 1 by 3 to the equation, if you get LHS equal to RHS, then only we call it as it is a solution. When the LHS is not equal to RHS, then it is not a solution. Okay. According to question, he said that x equal to 1 by 3 is a solution. That means what? 1 by 3 is a solution means the given value of x equal to 1 by 3 satisfies the equation. Okay. X equal to 3 is not a solution means the value of x equal to 3 is not satisfy the given quadratic equation. Okay. In this way we can easily check that. Okay. First question is, let us take first one. Put the value of x is equal to 1 by 3 to the quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? 3x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Put the value of x equal to 1 by 3. Then it becomes 3 into, what is the value of x? X value is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 write as it is, square is there, put as it is. Okay. Plus 5 into, what is the value of x? X value is 1 by 3. Minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. After substituting the value of x, then to the simplification, then it becomes 3 into, what is the value of 1 square? 1 square means 1 divided by 3 square. 3 3 ja 9 plus 5 1 ja 5 by 3 is there, right as it is, minus 2 is there, right as it is. Okay. Then Is there any simplification? First, do that simplification. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Okay, then it becomes 1 by 3 plus, here we can't do any simplification, right as it is, 5 by 3 and minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, what we can do in the next step? Very simple. When the denominators are same, then you have to add the numerator. Here the denominators are 3 and 3, then it becomes 3. When the denominators are same, then you have to add the numerator, then it becomes 1 plus 5. Minus 2 is there, right as it is, minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, afterwards, if you add these two, 5 plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1 equal to 6 divided by 3 is there, minus 2 is equal to 0. Again we can do the simplification. In the numerator we have 6 like that, in the denominator we have 3. Then if we divide this 6 by 3, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Okay, then it becomes 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, 2 minus 2 means what? 0 is equal to 0. Here LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, the given value of x is equal to 1 by 3 satisfies the quadratic equation 3x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 3 is a solution. Any doubts? Any doubts? We have solved first question. Okay. Now, let us take second question. In the second question, what is the value of x? X equal to 3. You have to substitute this value to the quadratic equation. Okay. Look at the board. Okay, let us solve second question. In second question, the value of x equal to, x is equal to 3. Put the value of x equal to 3 to the equation, quadratic equation 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. What you have solved in the first question as it is, you have to solve this question also. Okay. In this question, you have to put the value of x to the equation. Here the value of x equal to 3. Then substitute the value of x in the place of x square and x. Then it becomes 3 into 3 square plus 5 into, what is the value of x? 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. What we can do the next step? Very simple. 3 is there, right as it is, 3. 3 square. 3 square means 3 3s are 9. Plus 5 3s are 15. Minus 2 is there, right as it is, minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 9 3s are 27. Plus 15 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, next. Add these two numbers now. Okay. 7 plus 5, 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. If we have 27 plus 15, you will get 42. And minus 2 is there, right as it is equal to 0. In the last step, you have to subtract this minus 2 from 42. You will get 40 is equal to 0. All of you observe here, this is LHS and this is RHS. But in this situation, the LHS not equal to RHS. Okay, LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 3 is not a solution. That means the value of x is not satisfying the quadratic equation 3x square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, LHS not equal to RHS. The x therefore Therefore, x is equal to 3 is not a solution. Okay, this is also one of the question in the first type. Okay, how to find the quadratic equation and how to satisfy the quadratic equation when the value of x is given, x is equal to 1 by 3 and x is equal to 3. Okay, let's take another question. Let us take another question. Next question is, if the value of x equal to 1 and half, if the value of x is equal to 1 and half, all of you observe here, this is in the form of mixed form. Okay, then if the value of x is equal to 1 and half is a solution of the equation of the equation 2x square plus px minus 6 equal to 0. This is the given quadratic equation. Find the value of p. Find the value of p. This question is also belongs to first type. Okay. What is there? Listen all of you. If x is equal to 1 by 2, this is in mixed form. Okay. First you have to convert it into improper fraction. Okay. What is the first step? If there is any mixed fraction in mathematics, first you have to convert it into improper fraction. Then the value x becomes 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 divided by 2. Okay, this is the first step. If x is equal to 1 into 1 by 2 is a solution of the equation, already is telling that x equal to 1 into 1 by 2 is a solution of the equation 2x square plus px minus 6 is equal to 0. What is the quadratic equation? 2x square plus px minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the given quadratic equation. Because of this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then find the value of p. But this is the speciality of the question. Okay, in this question we have to find the value of p. Okay, how can you find the value of p? Very simple. See, x value is given. If you substitute this x value to the equation, you can easily get the value of p. That's all. Okay, let's go to solve this question. Put the value of x is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, substitute that. 2 into, what is the value of x? X value is 3 by 2. This is the given value. Okay, x value is 3 by 2 whole square plus p, right, as it is p, because of you have to find the value of p. Okay, x means 3 by 2. The value of x is 3 by 2. Then what is there? Minus 6 is equal to 0, right? As it is. Okay. Then if there is any simplification, first do it. 2 is there. It is already in simplification, right? As it is. 3 square is there. 3 square means 9 by 2 square means 4 plus 3 into p, 3p divided by 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. At the ending, once again we can do the simplification by cancelling 4 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Then your equation becomes 9 by 2 plus 3p divided by 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. All of you observe here, in these two terms, denominators are same. Okay. When the denominators are same, then you have to add these two numerators. Okay. This is the simplification of the fraction. Okay. 9 plus 3p divided by 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Here 2 is the denominator of 9 plus 3p. Okay. If you want to take 2 as a common, then you have to multiply these two with 6. Then your equation becomes 9 plus 3p minus, you have to multiply this because of you have to take 2 as whole LCM. Then 6 2s are 12 whole divided by 2 is equal to 0. Okay. As you know that the 2 multiply with 0, then it becomes 0. Then the last equation is 9 plus 3p minus 12 is equal to 0. But in this question we have to find the value of p. Okay. Then if here plus 9 is there, here minus 12 is there. If you subtract this 9 from 12, you will get 3p minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Then what we can do in the next step? You have to take this minus 3 to the RHS. Then it becomes 3p is equal to 3. If you take this minus to the right side, it becomes plus 3. Okay. As here 3 gets cancelled. Therefore, what is the value of p? P value is 1. Okay. In this way, we can easily find the value of p. Very simple, by substituting the value of x equal to 3 by 2 to the equation. Any doubts? Children, in this class, we have learned how to identify the quadratic equation and how to show the given value x is equal to 1 into 1 by 2 is a solution of the quadratic equation, and how to find the values of p. Okay, we will continue in the next class.
A unique school based on Indian cultural heritage and global vision, which has a record of 100% result in ICSE, State Board and PU Board examinations. Athreya Educational Institutions, a famous name in Mandya for more than a decade, providing you a world-class education from nursery to PUC. Enhanced with a newly constructed environment-friendly building, spacious smart classrooms, well-equipped labs and library, experienced teachers with motherly care and updated teaching methods, including 4-language learning concept, regular multiple cultural and sports activities, and best vehicle facility. What else do you expect? Join your children today. We make them complete human beings and present them as real gift to the society.
ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಅನುರಾಧ ರಘು, ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಕೆಎಸ್ ರಘು, ವಕೀಲರು ಹಾಗೂ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು. ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಫಾರ್ 2020 and 21. Pre-KG, UKG classes to 10th standard. ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ದೂರವಾಣಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 9986797652, 886701 5936 ಹಾಗೂ 8867015937.
Experience Autreya. Feel at home.